position is required of. Okay. So sir will be dealing with this particular topic. Welcome, Varun sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah, over to you, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Good afternoon, students. A warm welcome to everyone. Is my voice audible, everyone? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Fine. Okay, great, great. Okay. So I'll be sharing the screen now, and today I'll be taking you through something which is very, very much required for the entire interview. Okay. So there's something called as job description, okay, and job specification. Okay. Is my screen visible to you people?
No, sir.
No?
No, sir.
Okay,
No, sir.
one second. Okay, okay. One moment. One second. Okay, now is it visible?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No?
Yes, sir. Now
Yes,
it's visible.
sir.
Yes, sir, it's visible.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
fine. Okay, okay, okay. So you can see this word file. Okay, fine. Okay, let's have an interactive session, students. Okay. 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 Today, let's have an interactive session. How many of you are aware of what is this job description? Any idea? Any views? Can you speak? Okay. How many of you have faced the interview, or else few of you have not faced the interview till date? Okay, that's fine. Not to worry. But any idea what is that first step you go through? Okay, in the interview process, what is that first thing you come across is a job description, students. Okay, are you aware of this? What is this job description all about? Put it in a very layman's language, and can you tell me what is this job description? Make mistakes. Let's understand. Let's learn.
So,
Yes.
so it is a brief information about what we are going to do in a job.
Okay, it's a brief information about what you are going to do in a job. Great, good. Okay. Next, anyone? Good, good. Vishal. Yeah. Others? Can you?
So
Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Solomon. Yeah.
it describes the roles that the company is expecting you to play in their in the job that they're offering you.
Okay. Okay. Well, good. Good. Well covered. Okay.
Sir,
Yes, please.
duties and responsibilities of position.
Duties and responsibilities of a position. Okay. Okay. Fine. Okay. Then good. 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 Sabia. Then others. Any views? Okay. Any other ideas? Any views? Now let me still put it in very simple terms for you guys, so that you can answer this question now. Solomon, Vishal, Sabia, whoever it is who answered now. Okay. Now what you said was job description or job specification. Voice is very low. Okay. Now is it fine? Hello. Hello. Now is it fine? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So, when we say about this job description and job specification, now Sabia said what are the duties and responsibilities, okay, and Solomon said what we are supposed to do in an organization. Vishal said a brief introduction about what we are supposed to do in the company, in the organization. Okay, so was it a job description or job specification? Any views? Any idea? Hello, students. Let's have an interactive session, please. Yeah.
Sir, it's a
Yes.
job description.
Job description. Okay. Virat.
Yes.
Okay, great. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, fine. Others, any views?
So it is job description because it highlights the
Okay.
skills
Okay.
required for the job.
Okay, fine. Okay. Now, please understand this. Okay, job description. It's going to tell you job description when we say students. Okay, it's going to describe you about what is your job. That's it. In a very general terms, it says. Okay, job description. It is going to tell you not about the in and out of it. Okay, it's just going to tell you. It's going to describe the job. Okay, what kind of role you are playing. It's just going to describe. But in the specification, when I say very specifically, it is going to say what is that process you are going to do, in which process you are going to work. Okay, let me quote some examples and tell you. Okay, say for example, when ITC comes to a campus, every year ITC comes to a campus or Jaro comes to a campus for the marketing and sales. Okay, it says you are supposed to work as an manager or else sales manager or else area manager. When it says this, okay, now it is going to tell the duties, it is going to tell, it is going to give the job description, but specifically what you're supposed to do, it will not tell. Okay, but it so happens that when the HR comes over here, then they'll give the job specification, and few companies they give the job description and job specification, both the things will be given to you. Okay, is it making sense, students? I'll elaborate it still, but you got a rough idea what is job description and job specification. If not, please speak so that I can still explain it what is job description and job specification. Okay, I repeat for a moment now again. Okay, now when I say job description, it is in general terms. It's going to put the highlights, just the highlights about the job, what you're supposed to do in the job description. Whereas job specification, what is that specific role a candidate is going to play when he's being placed in the company. That is what we call it as job specification. Is it making sense? I
Yes,
think
sir.
HR students might be very much aware of this because they learn a subject on this. Okay, but for others, job description and job specification. Okay, is that clear? Any questions? Please let me know before I move forward.
Clear, sir.
Fine. Others, any ambiguity? Just let me know. Okay. If it's silent, then yeah, let's move to the main part of it. Okay. Now, if you see this, I have picked some JDs from the placement officer from our college. Ravi sir, I have taken this. Okay. So just we'll be going through this JD of various companies. Okay, there are finance, then there is marketing JD. I got sales JD, I got finance JD, I got HR JD as well. Okay, there are many more companies, but I have just randomly taken few JDs from this sir so that we can run through and let's understand what is this all about. Okay. Now, if you see, is the screen visible? You can see this Jaro education, then profile, everything. Is it visible, students? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Jaro had come to every year. It comes to a campus. Okay. So Jaro education. I have not edited anything in this. Okay. So as it is, I have put as the company has sent the same thing I put over here. Just you can check this. So Jaro education is the company. And the profile what they're looking is trainee career development. Okay. So the candidate who is getting placed in this company, he'll be joining for the profile as trainee. Okay, so what is his profile? When I say profile, what is that role the candidate is going to play when he's getting placed in the organization? We call it as profile. Okay, what job you're going to do? So what profile is, the designation is, in short we call it as a designation. In the layman's term we call it as a designation. He is going to play a role as trainee for career development, because Jaro education basically sells educational products to the people. So trainee career development, eligibility what they're looking for, MBA in marketing, dual specialization is also fine. Either it can be core, means when I say single, they are speaking about core, or else dual specialization. The salary what they're speaking over here is 12 lakh salary what they have put over here. Okay. So students who has hired as a trainee for 3 months offered 40,000 as their fixed pay. Okay, then plus incentives. Okay, so this part in the next section or somewhere in the future I'll be covering about the salary part or something. Now straight I will come to this something called as your what we say. Okay, let me explain this as well. Okay, based on the performance achievement. Okay, this is all about the incentive, students, don't worry on that. Okay, coming to this, see in the JD the company makes sure that they explain a bit about the company. Okay, now the real picture comes over here is the job description. If you see over here, you can see the job description given below. Identify opportunities through web interaction, telecalling, marketing events, and advertisements. Okay. Then validate and manage the leads generated through above mentioned activities. Record and maintain the quality leads and ensure progression of leads from identification to closure. Maintain a quality pipeline by targeting the right set of audience and weekly closure of the continuous follow-up. Provide counseling to students and help them choosing the right learning module. Willing to travel within city limits and convince the customers to purchase top scholars learning app to improve their children quality of education and academic results. Ensure end-to-end delivery and sustain the given targets. So this is all about the job description. Now, before I explain this, I want you, the youngsters, I want you people to explain me what is this all about. Any idea, any views? Make mistakes, don't worry. I think there are few fresh candidates as well in this session now. Okay, a few of my students are there, few freshers, wherein either you can speak or else even the existing students can speak. Okay, what is this all about? Any idea, students? I'm just keeping it open for you guys. Okay, what is that? Any idea you're getting from this? What they are trying to say? Hello? Can you hear me? Hello? Hello? Students, can you hear me? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. I thought somewhere you guys are not hearing me. Okay. I'll come to this Word file, sorry. Yeah, just check. You can go through this JD, students. I'm just keeping it very open to you guys so that you can go through this JD and just let me know what you understood by this.
Sir,
Yes, please.
sir, it is a process. What all are things we are going to do
Mm-hmm.
in a particular job?
Okay.
So it's like a counseling to students, which will help to choose their right career.
Okay, fine. There are some keywords I'm looking for. Can you explain those keywords, what I'm looking for? No worries, so make mistakes, students.
Excuse me, sir.
So lead generation.
Okay, what do you mean by lead generation, Vishal? Any idea?
The leads, which means when we post something or when we interact with someone for such courses,
Mm-hmm.
when they are looking for it, we have to convert it into leads first.
Okay,
Means we should convert them to the customer.
you missed it, Vishal. Sorry. No. See, the line says very clear: validate and manage the leads generated through above mentioned activities. Okay, good attempt, Vishal. No issues. Okay, others?
Hello, sir.
Yes, please.
It's identifying potential customers
Mm-hmm.
and keeping in touch with them.
Okay.
So converting them as actual customers.
Is it Nagaraj who is speaking?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So to achieve the given targets.
Okay. Fine. Okay.
So to target mainly youngsters.
Okay, yeah, great. Let's come point by point from the first point. Can you explain me the first point? What is happening in this first point? Any idea? Identify opportunities through web interaction, telecalling, marketing events, and advertisements. Means what is this point speaking all about? Any views? Make mistakes, students. It's a learning. Don't worry. Go ahead. Please go ahead. What is the company trying to say?
Sir, identifying the customers on hello.
Yeah, go ahead. Can you tell your name, please? Sorry.
Sir, Prashant, sir, this is Prashant.
Prashant. Yeah, Prashant, go ahead.
So, identifying the customers on social media and who are showing their interest to our products and
Okay.
targeting them and by calling
Okay, great. Okay.
and pitching our products, sir.
Okay. So the first point is all about you're trying to say identifying the people who are looking for a job through web interaction. One. Second, you're saying that they should do the cold calls and the pitching the product. That's what you're trying to say. Correct, Prashant?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, great. Great. Okay. Okay. Others, any views on the point one? Others, please speak so that we'll understand. No worries if you make mistakes.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, please. Yeah, Vinit, go ahead.
So, like looking for opportunities, like what exactly the customers are looking for through the interaction with them, like exactly what kind of course they're looking for, like what kind of education they need.
Okay, fine. Others, one more person, then I'll start this. What is it all about? Anyone? Last? Can you summarize this, JD? Anyone? From the point 1 to point 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh my god. 6 points, quite a easy one. Okay. Okay. Anyone? Last? Anyone? Okay, fine. Not an issue, students. I'm here for that. Okay. So let's understand this JD. Understanding a JD is a trick, students. Please. Okay. Now let's go through this. Identify opportunities through web interaction. Okay. So the company is saying for the candidate, it is saying that he has to do an web interaction. Okay. The opportunity is given to him. Okay. And he is supposed to generate the leads. Please understand. Okay. I'll take you through what is lead later. But before that, identify the opportunities through web interaction. Means you are supposed to do a web interaction, means check the database of the people who are looking for the what do you say, product, what you're going to sell in the market. Okay. You can do the web interaction, or as the company is saying that you're supposed to do the telecalls as well. Means you're supposed to do the calls to the customers, which we call it as cold calls in sales. We'll touch upon those points later. Okay. Then marketing events, whatever the company has conducted the marketing events, through that, if you're getting any leads, okay, you can use that, and the advertisements. So this is what the candidate is, take the opportunities from the company. One. Second, validate and manage the leads generated through the above mentioned point. So please understand this. Your second point is linked to the first point. What is the company saying? Validate and manage. So whatever you're doing it in the first point, whatever task you're doing in the first point, those things you're supposed to validate them and manage the leads. Manage the leads, when I say lead is a person, it's a database of the person who is going to buy your product. Okay. Or as leads, please understand, a lead is not a client, students. Lead, when he buys the product from the company, then he happens to become a client. Before that, he is a lead. Lead is a database. Now say for example, if I am working for Jaro, or else if I am working for say for example Britannia, okay, or else if I am working for LIC, and Solomon is one person who is referred by Steven. Steven told me that Solomon is looking for a life insurance policy. So Steven gave me a lead of Solomon. So Solomon becomes a lead for Varun. Please understand. Again, I am explaining this. Okay. I am working for LIC. Steven came to me and he said that there is one person who is looking for the insurance. You take his contact number and can you please contact him today? So Steven gave me a lead. Okay. That Solomon, one person, is a lead for me. I make a call to Solomon and I say, can I meet on this particular day and I can explain you about the product. Solomon, I meet Solomon, I explain him the product, I pitch him the product, everything I explain him. Okay. And later Solomon buys the product from me. As soon as Solomon buys the product from me, that lead is converted into client. That lead will be called as client because he bought the products from me. So he became client. Is this clear, students? Yes, no, hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, record and maintain the quality of the leads and ensure progression of the leads from identification of the closer. When we say this point is very much clear, students. What is the company trying to say is record and maintain. In a day, if I'm making 30 calls, okay, in that 15 might not receive your call. You're supposed to record that, not received. Okay, said call me after 1 month, call me after 1 day, call me after an hour, okay, contact me after 1 week. So you're supposed to record and maintain those database, the leads, okay, so that ensure progression of the leads from the identification of the closer. So in a day you made 30 calls, out of this you make 2 sales, okay, 2 of them gave you an appointment. So after you got an appointment, when you're going to close this deal, when you're going to close this whatever the business, the task what is given to you, so it is saying that you're supposed to record and maintain as a marketing person or as a sales person, you're supposed to do this, okay. Then others, don't worry, those who are looking for finance or HR, I got the JD of that as well, just I've started with marketing, okay. Then maintain a quality pipeline by targeting the right set of audience and weekly closure and continuous follow-up. So the company will have a weekly meeting. It is saying straight away, it is saying that targeting the right set of audience and weekly closure. So every week you're supposed to update your manager what you're doing. So weekly closure will be there for you. So that's a key point, okay. And continuous follow-up you're supposed to do. Provide counselings to the students, okay. You're supposed to do a counseling to the students, explain about your product, okay. Willing to travel, the company is saying if you are willing to travel within the city limits, okay, and convince the customer, then you're supposed to attend this interview, okay. Ensure end-to-end delivery and sustain the given targets. So this is all about the JD of Jaro, okay. Just for your information, just a rough idea or as a clear eye, whatever how you take it, okay. Now any questions for me, students, please let me know. Let's have a discussion now. Yeah, hello. Any questions in the JD? Any confusion, any ambiguity? Please let me
No,
know.
sir.
Okay. Others, any questions? The first JD, is it clear? Any questions, any ambiguity?
Yes.
Okay, no doubts?
Sir,
Yes, please.
is this a process of how to do a job? I'm got confused in description and specification.
Okay, great. Okay. Now please understand here what is happening is the job description, they are describing the job in very general terms, they are described. Specifically, they are not told. When I say specifically, when you join the organization, they'll tell you which area you're supposed to work, with which manager you're supposed to work, in how many team, who will be your team manager, who will be your team lead, team manager, okay. Specifically, what kind of customer you're supposed to target. So all those things when you join a company, okay, that is what we call it as job specification, okay. Now what they are given is job description. Minas, did I clear your doubt?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay, great. Yeah, others, any questions? Okay. Okay, fine. Okay. Shall we move to the next point? Next, JD?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Okay. So next is ITC, but I'll skip ITC. I'll come back to ITC later, students, because let me cover one finance JD as well, so that it will be comfortable for the finance students. Okay, now this is something quite interesting now. Okay, KPMG. Okay, so the company is KPMG. Then KPMG Global Services. Okay, when they say global services, it's a global company. Please understand that. Okay, the designation they are looking is associate. Okay, please understand the designation what they're looking is associate. Okay, forget about the salary part, whatever it is. They are mentioning the eligibility as well in the email. MBA in finance, single or dual. Okay, that would be fine. 60% throughout. 10th, 12th, UG and PG. No active backlogs. Okay, so when you join the company, they are not looking for backlog people who got backlogs. They are not looking for that. Okay. Then location Bangalore and Kochi. They are very much specific about Bangalore and Kochi. They are looking for the openings only in Bangalore and Kochi. Location will be decided by the company based on the requirement. So here the company is very specific about it. You might be interviewed, and in the interview itself, they'll tell that the vacancy is in Kochi and some vacancies are in Bangalore. They inform the candidate well in advance. Okay, so that's a key point what you're supposed to remember. Then about the company, you can check it out later. Okay, no worries. Okay. Now the very important part in this is job description. Okay, so that's a key point what you're supposed to look at, job description. Okay. Now when we are saying about the job description, please find the below attachment. Audit survey delivery. Be a part of a team which is responsible for what do you say? Responsible for responsible for audit service delivery and ensure timely and quality and audit deliverable on work done for self. Then content and industry focus, build strong domain expertise, accounting and auditing, and industry knowledge, and enable better engagement with US ET and improve quality of work performed from the GDC. Okay, fine. Roles and responsibilities. Okay, fine. Okay, quite an easy one. Okay. Now, associate one predominant responsible. Okay, roles and responsibilities. Demonstrate basic accounting and auditing knowledge. Then understand audit procedures performed by GDC. Then familiarize with the documentation. Okay, familiarize with the audit applications, idea, wisdom, care. Okay, MS Office. Okay, fine. So, what you understood by this, GD students? Any idea? Any views? What do you follow by this? Hello. Is it visible?
Sir, I can't hear you properly.
Okay, sorry, you could have told that. Hello. Now is it audible? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Just go through this JD. Any what do you understand by this JD? Just let me know, students, so that we'll start. Okay, we'll discuss more. Take your own time, maybe 3 minutes or so. Let's understand.
So it's about delivering the responsible audit and accounting. Yes, sir.
Okay, good attempt.
Accounting services, sir.
Mm-hmm. The others? Okay, others? Any views? Hello? Is it audible? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, you are audible, sir.
Okay, fine. And they are speaking about technical skills and enabling skills as well. Okay, I'll just run through the students because let's not waste much time on this. Okay. So KPMG is a global company. As we know, KPMG is basically into auditing and taxation. Okay, so here what they're looking for is auditing process. Okay, so what this company is saying that you are supposed to be a team player when you join this organization. Then about the aggregate and all, don't worry. Okay, just let's get into the technical part of it. What they're looking is they want a student who has got accounting knowledge and auditing knowledge. As the company feels that you have studied this subject, okay, so they want this accounting and auditing knowledge. One. Second is you should have a good knowledge on MS Office. Basically, they are emphasizing on MS Excel skills. Okay, the shortcuts, not using the mouse, the keyboard, what you're supposed to use. The strong English communication. Why they are asking strong English communication? The reason is you are supposed to interact with the client over an email. So that's the main reason they are asking with the strong English communication. Then attention to detail of quality consequences, then a quick learner, blah, blah, blah. So don't worry on that. So here, please understand students, when they're talking about this, a company like KPMG, okay, so it's basically all about the auditing process, okay, the auditing process, what you're supposed to do in the company. So that's what they are explaining over here. Okay, so the Global Delivery Center, KPMG, GDC is talking about that. Okay, then here you're supposed to be demonstrate the basic accounting and auditing knowledge one, then understand audit procedures and performed by GDC, then familiarize with the audit demonstration, e-auditing. Okay, then you're supposed to be well versed with the tools what the company is going to use in the future. But for that, the basic knowledge what you're supposed to have before joining the organization is well versed with MS Office. When I'm saying MS Office, students, in MS Office, this job, please understand, this job we call it as operational job. Operational job, when I say you're going to sit in the front of the system and going to work, such jobs we call it as operations job. Okay, means you're sitting in the front of the system, okay, and you're going to work, okay, for the companies. Okay, so such jobs we call it as operations. In operations, either it will be KPO or BPO. Now this process is completely of KPO process. Okay, in KPO it is non-wise process. Please understand, it's a non-wise process what they are looking for. It's a non-wise, again I repeat. Okay, so this is all about KPMG. Okay, in short. Okay, is it clear, students? Are you getting any idea from this? What is this all about? Any questions? So can't hear you. Okay, now is it fine, Sabia? Hello. Okay, is that clear, students, about KPMG?
Yes,
no?
sir.
Any questions for me, please?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now you're getting an idea what is this JD all about, how the company speaks about the JD, what you're supposed to do. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Now I'll be giving few tips for you about this. I was just skipping the point which I told that I'll be speaking about that later. Okay, I was talking about this. Okay, let me explain it. Okay, please understand this part about the company. Okay, I skipped it. Why I skipped it, I'll be very honest and tell you. Whenever you as a fresher or as you as an experienced candidate, when you're going for an interview, please make a note of this, okay, or else fix it in your mind today. Whenever you're choosing any company for your career, you want to make your career, okay, say for example, I want to make my career in KPMG, I want to make my career in Honeywell, ITC, Charo, whatever it is. Very foremost thing before going through the JD is you understand about the company first. What is this company all about? What they do? What is that they manufacture? What is that process they run? In the short the company gives, it's their duty to tell about what is that company doing, but it's your duty to get into the detail of this company, when it started, how it started, what is that process they're doing, where is their head office, okay, how many branches they have, everything you got to check. Then when you go through the JD, that will be very easy, students. Always remember, it's a tip, students, please understand. Okay, it's my experience
Sir.
I'm telling you. Yeah, yes, Minas.
Sir, repeat again, please.
Okay, fine. Okay,
There is a network issue.
okay, fine, not an issue. I'll repeat it. Now is it audible, Minas? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Whenever you get a JD from any company, be it any company, Jaro, Airtel, or Vodafone, or else what do you say, ITC, whichever company, KPMG, the first and the foremost thing is you got to understand about the company. Check out the complete history of the company. Okay, the interviewer is not going to ask you when it started, why it started. No, you got to understand what is that products they sell, what is the products they manufacture, what is the process they do. Yeah, are they into manufacturing, are they into operations, are they into IT, what is it? You got to understand the basic thing, how many branches they have, okay, what is that operations they are doing, everything. Dot to dot points you got to jot down the things, okay, so that when you go through the JD it will be very clear, very clear what is this company all about. If I am a layman and if I am supposed to, let me put it, if I am a fresher, my core specialization is marketing, and KPMG has sent me an email. They are talking about auditing, blah, blah, blah. I think that they might be into marketing as well. And I go and attend the interview on that particular day, and I'm doing a blunder. Please understand. The role, what they're asking is for the auditing process. And I come from a marketing background, and if I'm trying to get into KPMG, no, that's a blunder what I did. Okay, that's a huge big mistake what we did. Okay, so I need to understand what is that company is all about. Okay, and then what is that role they are going to offer me. Then I can apply for the job. Is that clear, students? Be it any company on the earth, just go through the company information first. What is this company all about? Okay, then get into the JD, understand the JD, and start learning about it. Okay, is this clear, students? Minaz, can you hear me? Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Others, any questions?
No, sir.
No. Okay, fine. Okay, then the next JD we'll take is okay, quite an interesting JD. ITC. Okay, the next company is ITC. Okay. Okay, ITC. I'll not read this. I want you people to read it. Okay, understand it, and explain me. Okay. I'll pause here for 2 minutes. Then I'll again scroll down. Then you can read it. Again scroll down. You can read it. And please explain me this so that when you explain me, then it will be very clear for me what you understood from this session. Okay. Should I scroll down, or shall I be on the same page, or should I scroll down? Just let me know. Once you guys are done, then I'll scroll down. Scroll down. Okay.
Sir, can you scroll down?
Yeah, I'll do that. Okay. I'll skip about the company, students. Okay. The reason is you can go through the company later. Okay. I'll just straight away come to JD. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Is it done, students? Once done, please let me know. Okay. Any difficulty in understanding, let me know. Those who want to explain, you can explain. If you want still more time, don't take more time. Maybe a minute or so, then we start.
Sir,
Yes, please. Yeah, Vishal.
sir, compulsory market touring for around 25 days in a month. What does that mean, sir?
I'll explain it. Compulsory market touring for 25 days in a month means you are supposed to be in the field for 25 days.
Okay, sir.
Okay. This is a core sales job profile, what you're looking for. It's a sales job profile, not a marketing job profile. Okay, it's a sales job. Okay, let's start, students. Anyone wants to explain this? Hello? Students, can you hear me? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please. Can anyone explain me this from point 1?
It's about selling the FMCG products within the Karnataka
Mm-hmm.
and distributed to wholesaler and 30 to 40 outlets within a given category,
Mm-hmm.
and 25 days a month marketing touring is compulsory.
Okay.
Yes, sir. That's it.
That's it. Okay, great. Others? Okay. Okay, I'll explain this. Is there anyone who wants to speak on this, or should I start? Hello? Hello? Anyone who wants to
Sir, you continue.
Yeah, fine. Okay, I'll do that. Okay. Okay, let's start this. The company is ITC. This is completely a core sales job. What the company is looking for at the entry level. The company is saying that you will be hired for as a sales trainee. The designation will be sales trainee. Okay, the company is saying in the JD itself, the sales trainee position is entry level sales position of FMCG business. So it's saying that this company is basically at FMCG. The job description for the candidates is on FMCG, okay, and not about other products of ITC, about the FMCG, wherein increments will handle sales and distribution of product categories like cigarettes, then stationery products, food products, and personal care products. So these are the different categories of products what the sales trainee will be handling. Okay, in the marketing subject we have studied, but there are few people who are fresh in this meeting now. So these are the categories what the products will be different categories. One is cigarette. Okay, then you will be handling stationery products. Then you will be handling food products of ITC. Okay, and you will be handling personal care products of ITC. Okay, so the different categories they are given 1, 2, 3, and 4 categories. Okay, then sales trainee will have an extensive induction scheduling lasting the entire year, during which they will extensively cover a territory branch within the branch state assigned to them. So you will be handling the territory. Okay, a territory will be given to you and you are supposed to work there. Then compulsory market touring for 25 days in a month. Vishal asked me this is a doubt, what is this 25 days? It means in sales job there is nothing called as Sunday. Please understand, students, there is nothing called as Sunday, there is nothing called as Independence Day, there is nothing called as Republic Day, there is nothing called as Ganesh Festival, Christmas, New Year. No. Okay, all you got to do is in a month you can take 4 days off. Means in a week, 1 week off we say. In the sales job there will be week off. Okay, any one day you can take week off. So rest 25 days, taking 30 days as a count. Okay, 25 days you are supposed to work. So that's what it is saying. Clear? Now, sales trainee will have a structured induction process during which he will interact and work on the daily basis with the wholesale distributor team. So you will be handling distribution, you will be working with the distributor team. Please understand that. Supervisor or salesman, he will cover around 30 to 40 outlets in a day within the given territory to understand the important phase of the sales and distribution. Now, when I say this, let me quote an example and tell you how it works. Okay, or as after all the points, I'll give one example and explain you how it works. During the structured induction process, they will learn and experience firsthand the ITC way of sales and distribution, and he will have to review the assess their learnings. The confirmation into the company will be dependent on the ratings obtained during the reviews. Okay, let me explain what is this. Now, Varun, as a fresher, say for example, I am passed out this month, this year, and ITC has come to our campus and it has come for the recruitment. I went for the interview. Now, I got selected into this company. Now, what is this? What is my role? What I'm supposed to do? Okay. Now, when I go for the first day into the job, please understand the sales. I am a sales trainee. So they tell me I am supposed to be the distributors. I am supposed to handle the distributors. When the company is saying I am supposed to handle the distributors, let me quote an example. The area given to me, the territory given to me is Tilakwadi. Just an example, Tilakwadi area is given to me. There are somewhere around 10 distributors. Let's assume this. Just an example, students. There are 10 distributors sitting. 4 distributors sitting. Let's assume this. There are 4 distributors sitting. Okay. So my work is, okay, these distributors are supposed to take the I as a sales trainee. Okay. There are somewhere around 30 to 40 chains. When I say 30 to 40 outlets in this Tilakwadi area where ITC products are being sold. Okay. Now let me take one distributor as an example. I am handling one distributor. Say for example, Kiran Traders. Okay, he is a distributor. Now I am working for ITC. What my role is, I'll be going to the various outlets, means these 30 outlets, taking the order from the shops, okay, and giving the same thing to the distributor. Now your work is done. Now it's the distributor headache to deliver the products to the shops. Please understand. Okay, we call it as rotation basis. When I say rotation basis, if I am a sales trainee, Monday I go to Raghavendra shop, Tuesday I go to Vishal, Thursday I go to Steven, Thursday, Friday I go to Rakesh, and Saturday I go to Vinith. So Monday when I take order and come back, Tuesday the product will be delivered to Raghavendra. Please understand. So my job is to take the orders and make sure that the goods are dispatched to these outlets well in time. So that's my role. Okay. So all 25 days I'm supposed to cover this all to 30 to 40 outlet students. Please understand. So on the daily basis I'm supposed to do this. Okay. During the structured, then what point? Yeah, 25 days, then distribution and learn experience. Yeah. Now the reviews. When my performance, the company is saying the confirmation will be given when my manager, my line manager will say this, my area sales manager or say the sales manager under whom I am working. I am a trainee, please understand. I'll be reporting to my sales manager. The sales manager will write the reviews about me. Did I go to this outlet and take the order? How was my performance? Did I miss any calls from the people? Okay. Everything will be taken and there will be something called as PDP done every quarter. PDP. Performance Development Program. In every organization it happens, Performance Development Program, wherein the manager will be rating me. Varun, in a month he attended 25 days, which is right, correct? He visited all the shops, right? He took all the orders, but the goods were not dispatched on time. So my rating goes down. So my confirmation will be still delayed. Instead of 6-month probationary, I'll be pushed to 8 months, sometimes 10 months, sometimes 1 year. Or as if my work is becoming really excellent and all the points are ticked, my performance development program goes up, okay, and the confirmation will be given to me as an employee of ITC. So this is all about job description given to us. Any questions in this, any ambiguity with regard to this, please let me know so that it will be very clear for you. Yes, please. Nagaraj, you want to say something?
Sir, if a person is doing really well, then how he become different, like probationary period?
Okay, when you're doing really well, okay, sometimes it so happens that if your probation time is 6 months, okay, then the company might give a confirmation within 5th month itself or else in the 4th month itself, because the company doesn't want to lose the best candidate. Okay.
So, sir, the responsibilities and some other things will change.
No, initially no, Nagraj. Initially it will not change. This is about the confirmation what the company is saying. You are into a probationary time, you will be made as a permanent employee. But now let's continue the same example. Say for example, here it is saying that if Nagraj joined ITC and I'm your line manager, let's assume this, I'm your sales manager and you're reporting to me on daily basis. If I like your work in the first quarter, I'll immediately not give you a promotion. I'll not give a confirmation. I'll wait for some more days and I'll check your performance again in the second quarter. And when I'm satisfied with both the quarters, okay, from Jan to March and April to June, if your performance is really good, then I can give a recommendation to the company in the month of April itself or else in the month of May itself. This is the right candidate who is working really, really good. Please give him a confirmation within 6 months. I'll give the rating then and there itself. These ratings will not be discussed with you. I'll be discussing these ratings with my next level manager, okay, who is my ASM, area sales manager. Then area sales manager will be recommending the same points to ZSM, zonal sales manager. Zonal sales manager will take a call on this. In sales, this is how it works. Okay, trainee, then sales manager, then ASM, then comes zonal ZSM. So this is how the recommendation is given. The reviews are given about. Sorry about the recommendation word. The reviews are given, and the probation period ends. Gets over, and you'll be a permanent employee. Now, if you after this, say for example, after 6 months, I will be checking for 2 more quarters, and if your performance is really excellent, okay, then comes about something called as monetary benefits and your incentives. It will shoot up, Nagaraj.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, great, good question. Others, any questions? Well asked. Very good question, Nagaraj. That's really nice. Others, any questions? Okay. Okay, fine. Okay. If there are no questions, then fine. There are a few more JD students wherein I'll be sharing it in the group later. Okay. Okay, many. I've taken 4 to 5, 6, I suppose. Then there is something called as about Gallagher. They asked about the Gallagher communication, excellent communication, MSO. Okay, fine. Okay, there are many. Okay, if you jot down, there are many. I'll be sharing it to you guys later, and you can go through that. Okay, or else we'll discuss. No issues. Okay. Okay, fine. Any questions? Any ambiguity? It was really nice interacting with you people. Okay. Any questions? Just let me know, students. Okay, it was really nice interacting with you people. If there are no questions, then we'll wind up. Okay. Any questions?